Sorry for this delay, a little bit of technical, logistical issue which we had to sort out. Is that fine? Yeah?
Sustainability reporting.
I hope you will ensure that change has put up.
And there should be results.
Let's not forget that fact.
Good evening. I think I have a very difficult task ahead of me this evening because I am supposed to speak on a subject about which I think all of you have become experts in the last 5 days. I could see from the agenda that leading practitioners of CSR have already addressed you, and I think there is nothing left for me to tell you about sustainability. So, you may find certain terms repetitive, or sometimes you may find certain concepts boring. I request you bear with me because there will still be something for you to learn, something as a takeaway. But it is I am going to talk about L&T's journey of sustainability. L&T is a very complex organization. I have been with L&T for nearly 35 years. I have still not understood what L&T is because it changes every day. Every year we have new businesses, new diversifications. L&T is today $9.6 billion US company, 45 to 50,000 dollars is the turnover of the company for the last year. We are highly diversified. Going from manufacturing nuclear reactors to we also make welding electrodes. So what I will do is that to give you an overview of what L&T is, the context is important. If I had to make a sustainability report of the company covering this complex business of the company, I thought the best way to start is to show you a film which gives you some idea about the businesses L&T handles. I think we will first start the film.
What happens when things come together? What happens when you question? What happens when an idea is born? And we begin to see the infinite possibilities that come to light when engineering answers the call of the imagination. For over 70 years, Larson and Toubro has put innovation to work in technology, manufacturing, engineering, and construction. L&T enhances the quality of life by building major infrastructure projects. Innovative technology makes the impossible possible, and even creates landmarks below land. We build ports and airports, the great gateways of the world, that don't just connect places, but bring people together. L&T fuels progress by building drilling rigs and platforms that tap into the ocean depths. Complete facilities for the production and processing of oil and gas are built on an engineered, procure, install and construct basis. In the mid and downstream sectors, we are a total solutions provider for refineries, petrochemical and fertilizer plants, enriching everyday life. We are the power behind nuclear, thermal and hydro projects. Our turnkey execution services extend from engineering, Supply of equipment like boilers and turbines to transmission lines. A range of capabilities to light up lives. Every drop matters. Water projects need more than industrial and social needs. By using advanced technology to build projects for desalination, water treatment and distribution, we serve a vital human need. At the heart of giant steel plants, LT's manufacturing and project execution expertise revitalizes facilities and expands capacity. We also offer bulk material handling systems, the giant arms that industry needs for growth. Larson and Toubro is one of the top heavy equipment manufacturers in the world, with a customer base spread over 40 countries. We set global benchmarks that design and manufacture process equipment for refineries, fertilizer, petrochemical, and coal gasification projects. Our capabilities extend from shipbuilding to aerospace. Precision facilities deliver the high accuracy levels essential for aerospace applications. For the nuclear power sector, we manufacture end shields, cabin gear, nuclear reactors, and steam generators. Strength is a prerequisite for peace. Everton works closely with national establishments to design and produce sensors and weapon systems, missile and rocket launchers that add mind and muscle to the defense forces. LT's world-class switchgear ranges from air circuit breakers to meters. Custom-engineered switchboards and automation systems have established a reputation for reliability across demanding applications. Our medical equipment touches life with the assurance of quality. LT's range of construction and mining equipment covers excavators, surface miners, loader backhoes, and tractor undercarriage systems. Our state-of-the-art valves, manufactured in India and in China, control the lifelines of industry. We are a leading manufacturer of tire curing machinery, plastics processing equipment, paper machinery, welding alloys, and fuel dispensing pumps. We do more than build infrastructure. We actively participate in the public-private partnership program of the government in developing roads, ports, airports, power, and water projects. Our financial arm leverages L&T's experience in equipment manufacture and turnkey projects to fund infrastructure growth. The finest minds of industry are at work at L&T Infotech. We leverage our corporate heritage and business-to-IT connect and provide the winning edge to our customers. Through integrated engineering services, we help clients reduce time to market by applying our expertise across domains. At L&T, we see the world without boundaries. We have forged enduring business relationships and won the trust of global players. We are conscious that to truly spread progress, we must share its fruits. Our training institutes help youth become productive participants of society. All this from one creative spark ignited 7 decades ago, when two minds sharing one vision came together to build a company of vision and values. A company of people whose profession is their passion. People who seek challenge. People who question the limits. People who redefine scale. Because we believe that boundaries exist only in minds that accept them.
you. Now can you switch over to the presentation, PowerPoint presentation? Yeah. Next slide. I think we talked about that in the film. Yeah. Next. Okay, this is the